So I just got my box in the mail from Stately Hyland Apiaries. Apiaries. I always do that. Apiaries with bees, not aviaries with birds. My cat likes birds and bees. Wants to be involved in this process. I just have to get this box open without getting the cat's whiskers cut in here. Sweetie. There we go. Oh, almost got it. You are so helpful. You smell something interesting inside? You're just so intrigued. There we go. Got a little bee pin. Then it comes in its own little bag with a little hexagonal bee item and a card. So there we go. 2 packages. Oh, now the cat's even more intrigued. Everything a cat could possibly dream about. Things that smell cool, that are nice and chewy. Thank you so much, Kitty, for all your help. An inner layer, and that just smells so nice. We got the candle. So it's embossed with little hexagons, and it has this cool design here with a bumblebee. Got another one. The cat has already got his claw on the first one. Cat, you gonna help me with the second one, or are you too obsessed with the first one? So again, cute little bee pendants. Lovely wrapping. And another little bee with the cool hexagonal texture and the bee at the top. So, beautifully wrapped, lovely extra little items, and just perfect. So I'll definitely have these on my table to support local bee cultures, because bees are important for our society's health. Let me know if you have any questions.